Bro, you gonna love. He changed his flow multiple times. Oh hell yeah. This dropped before the album though.
Jesse made another one. Let's do it. Bitch on toxic, kick your shit, you better watch it. Just unzip my pants, catch the down all in my pockets. Put her in her mix, now I got all these niggas jacking. Wait up and now I got the power. Tell me this slap no spray on power. Yo, and this bitch is money.
Damn, his jeans are so skinny, bro. You can't breathe in them shits, man. Fucking hell. Niggas dressed like a bitch, man.
My mind's paying attention to his jeans.
Niggas fucking knees poking out the jeans, man.
Wait, hold on. Where'd you see that? This.
Yeah, shit's so skinny, bro. Come on, man.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
Yo.
Nah, bro, his bitch definitely dressed him, man. 100%.
Cussing them out just like that. Oh. Okay, there's some skinny ass jeans. I love the ad libs. Understood, I said. Oh, I be with that mask man, and they all unheard of. Y'all know this nigga. Y'all know this nigga. Bad like a friend. I see why that's her twin. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta go for the friend. You know what I mean?
To my mission.
Yes, sir. Rotation. Yeah, that's what we like to hear, you know what I mean?
I like the flow.
Bro, the flow is crazy. You hear what he's saying?
Fill up the clip and then can't hear the rest.
Fill up a clip or go fill up a safe.
Get your money up, man. Not your funny up.
Yeah, exactly.
Shout out my nigga Luck, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, either you rather fill up a bank or go fill up a fucking gun and spray that bullshit. Nah, we ain't no dumb
Condone no violence here, man.
Never.
I'm a good civilian. No violence over here.
Never. We not violent. Yo, wait. Why that cigarette look there, bro? Look, he's squeezing that shit so tight.
This is what he says after.
He's draining the life out of this shit.
Listen to what he says.
Wait, what do you say?
If a nigga piss on me, it's smoke, bro. It's on site. If a nigga pisses on me, it's on site. I don't give a fuck, man. Say goodbye to your family, bro.
Say goodbye to your family. Yeah, man. Bye-bye.
That's the most disrespect, fam. If someone pisses on you or someone spits on you.
On all your diamond chains.
Nah.
Yo. Oh, fucking with mathematics. 20 million, wait. 20 million plus 30. Not far from Cali. I don't get that.
Nah.
Yeah, he don't do no math either, pretty sure. This time my hood, yeah. That just time my hood.
She ain't one shot as we pouring up lines from out of the bottle. My baby a mirror just stepping, I'm stepping a lot of my style as I pay. Shoot my bitch like I know whips that upgrade models.
Not gonna lie, I really can't understand young boys sometimes, bro. Like
it's the Louisiana accent, bro.
Yeah, and sometimes if you see like some songs that he wrote down, besides us not understanding what he says, like the way he just even his lyrics off the bat, like they don't make. He doesn't. He creates his own sentences, so to say.
That's good. Each state has their own slang, you know.
Yeah.
Some niggas from where he's from understand what he's saying.
Maybe.
But niggas from the other states don't.
But sometimes he be writing like half a sentence and then making like something else, and I'd be like, that's creative, but what the fuck is that? It sounds good, but I don't get it.
My bitch walk around with 1 million, I say yeah. Fill up a clip, go fill up a safe.
You heard before, he said, would you give your bitch $1 million to ride around with? Would you give your girl $1 million?
If I got it, man. If I'm rich, of course.
Bruh. Alright, good man.
Fill up a clip, go fill up a safe. Cross his chest, I spray that J. Piss on someone diamond chains. Whatever now I got pop. Tell this not gonna spray on cops. You holding this bitch's money shop.
I love the different sounds.
Tripping stops won't give me brain. Pray that make that pick cocaine. Fuck going on, they wanna do some hold on.
Young boy.
All day, baby. All day. You wanna listen with that raw wave? Or you want another hood one?
I don't know.
How about let's just go down the list, alright? From what I think. Freedom Files. Let's see how much lyrics we can listen to.
Hey, Benz, what you cooking?
I'm gonna lie, just reacting shit. It takes time.
It feel a giant, alright. My dreams jumping out the bottom of the pile. Mock up, peace, free Von B. Free my daddy and free fat bees. We strapped up and we run deep in this bed steady till we get even. Who is that at the front door? Point a chopper at the people. They looking for Slimeto. Slimeto ain't no cunning way. That ain't baby thug murder case. Probably I keep a mess like Jason. Too thin and hold the cases. I think we control the bases. I don't send out y'all the baby. My cousin, he get pit dope. Straight from out the knowledge, change the train. I'm a fucking pilot, nigga. I play with the choppers, nigga. They don't quit the pot, son. Yeah, that's my mama, nigga. I'm the fucking daughter, nigga. Try to pull off, get followed with it. My young niggas, they come out the window. Why the feds tryna lock a nigga? Pick it up, hold it, just moving, don't lose it. I got that shit for the block, the fuses. Told her little mama, she fuck with my music. She said that she know me from off of a news clip. Went through $1 million, I butted the cruise ship. I got it, ain't stopping, I'm training my body. I'm on and I'm popping up, don't know how I drive. Phone on off for my brother, be out the bottom. Southside and outside, ain't got guys. That's B-way, they all Shellwood. I don't need no counsel, cause my mail good. Bitch, I got a card that you dare pull. Left bodies in my own hood. Yeah, pull off the turn right on Highland. Tryna see if Cuzzo shot ain't no cunning way. That ain't baby thug murder case. Probably I keep a mess like Jason. Too thin and hold the cases. I think we control the bases. I don't send out y'all the baby. But my cousin, he get pit dope. Straight from out the knowledge, change the traces. I see my chance.
I feel like I can take anybody on, bro. Like, I don't care, nigga. I don't care who you are. Nigga, I'm even if I get beat up, I'm still standing the fuck back up with like 2 broken fingers, a broken arm, dislocated. Nigga, I'm still standing. Come at me. I ain't dead yet.
That's what young boy does to you. Bro.
I'm telling you, bro. And that shit, bro, it can work, though, sometimes. Get you through tough situations.
Dropping out the bottom of the pile. That fucking boy dope like that. He straight pit drop. On the streets, he be in jail, back to back. Life a hard knock. Soon as he get locked up, they ship his ass, cause he gon' bond out. Different cars, I throw out faces. I'm a shit, this jumbo, baby. I want the money, she fuck with me daily. Can't stay in no place, she be breaking her babies. Modifications. I got the whips, I don't trip, I don't drive on no daily. 2 million garage, this not a for son. I'm fucking with Gotti, you know it's hate. Body language, you tell it. I'm holding my own. They calling my phone, I'm hitting the climb. On the top of their neck, I'm pressure, they cannot recline. He run, I'm a body spine. Fuck with me, you know we slangin' that. I'm gon' punish them. Do it that who is gon' be is you or I. I got a drum for him. Mock up, peace, free Von B. Free my daddy and free fat bees. We strapped up and we run deep. And it's back steady till we get even. Who is that at the front door? Point the top at the people.
What did his dad get arrested for?
Paul, they looking for Slimeto. Okay.
I don't care. I don't really know like that slang, bro. Cause I know you can call someone slime, or we gonna slime you out.
Maybe that's his nickname or something.
Yeah, I think too, but not Slimeto. I ain't got no idea, bro. I don't care. Y'all tell us, man. Y'all, you tell us down below, like, what the fuck is Slimeto, bro? Is his nickname or it doesn't have a definition?
control the bases. I don't send out y'all the baby. Cause he get bit
Got
though.
the sirens
Straight
in
from
the
out the
background.
line, change the track. I'm a fucking pilot, nigga.
Hey.
I love Tombstone.
Tombstone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fuck with that too. Alright, now this song.
Tombstone, why they bury me? Why they bury me?
Okay, alright, let's get to it. Now this song, hey, hold on. I need
Quavo,
Quavo, you know we fuck with him.
Migos.
Yeah. Hold on. Don't rate me, nigga.
Hey, hey. Pull up in it, they can't afford this. Not your kind, get it, they can't record this. Put myself on top of brand new level. I just bought a bigger bezel. Got a she'll never leave me. Know that I never let her. Do, re, mi. That money coming paper.
Bro, I love the children's voice in the back. I don't know if you can hear it. Wait, listen to this. Oh, hell. Not like that,
nigga.
bro. Not, oh my
nigga.
God. Yo.
This nigga said he loved the children's voice in the back.
Bro,
What you
I said it was a
mean,
good
nigga?
idea.
What you mean by
Bro,
that,
it was
nigga?
a good idea. Like, you got a choir of kids in the back
Shit, nigga.
singing, bro. Not like that.
Don't
Why
make,
you...
don't make me call the cops on you,
Bro,
my nigga.
nah, bro. I'm not playing.
Don't make me call the cops.
Okay, okay. Fuck that. It sounds good. The hook sounds good. Better? Happy? I ain't fucking, I ain't no Peter, bro. Calm down. Fucking
Just
good.
making sure. Turns you on.
Dickhead. She bring the head.
To me.
Mm-hmm. Know what I'm saying? What do you mean by don't rate me?
When I'm hearing this, I'm hearing the, you know that fucking nursery rhyme, do, re, mi.
Oh yeah!
That's
First
what-
time I heard this, I was thinking to that
Yeah.
too. I'm like, maybe he made like he remade it.
Cause that's what I keep hearing.
Do, re, mi.
That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, but oh, that's true. That's smart if he did that. You know what I mean?
You probably did, bro.
Nah,
You just
no.
overthinking this shit, man.
Nah, it's not overthinking. Some rappers actually overthinking, but I don't think so. This is like simple.
Yeah.
Hold on, I had to tell them don't rate me. It ain't no limit to the things that I do. Now let me talk the blues, don't save me. Cause I'm not saving you, you better get it, boy. Don't hate me. I'm gon' forever do what I do. I know you feel me,
I got hunchos. Get your pill for some blue strips. Upgraded all my hollows to them blue tips. Rated up. Lot of violence, niggas set it off. Lot of stepping in the field. Coin toss. Brick by brick, we beat this shit. Hands on, flip the switch. Fuck a bitch. Fell in love once and I can't go again. It's why being Tron, we got everybody rich. Bitch, I play on D and I get everybody hit. 800 on the AP. I had to buy this shit. 10 toes rockin' shit. Northside prodigy. Mama told me every time I go up, they gon' hate me. It's okay, mama, cause this Glock don't got safety.
don't rate me. That money coming paper and blue. Hold on, I had to tell them don't rate me. It ain't no limit to the things that I do. Now let me talk the blues, don't save me. Cause I'm not saving you, you better get it, boy. Don't hate me. I'm gon' forever do what I do. I know you feel me, boy.
Yeah, I like this song. This shit a 9 out of 10 for me. How about you?
I prefer Quavo's fact than Young, I ain't gonna lie.
Ah, bro. Alright.
Mock up, please free Von B. Free my daddy and free Fat B. We strapped up and we run deep in this bed, steady till we get eat.